Persons who are obliged to support a child. Let us look at the parents. So if you are a parent, it is automatic that you are going to support that child. If you are expecting a baby, congratulations to you. The duty to support arises when that child is born. And it doesn't matter if that child is born from married or unmarried persons. There is a duty to support, and you have to support that child. If guys, you are not working, so if it happens that the mother is not working and the father is working, then the father must ensure that they support that child financially. If, however, both parents are fortunate enough to be earning a salary, then that duty support will be proportioned accordingly, according to each parent's needs. So it doesn't mean that because maybe, let's say, you are earning less than the father or less than the mother. Let's say your salary is 5,000 and the salary of the other parent is maybe 25, and then you think since they are earning more, then they should pay more. No, guys, it has to be proportioned to each parent's respective means of income. And then you're asking yourself, now, where do the grandparents actually fit in? If neither parent can support that child financially, that means neither mother or father can support, then the duty of support falls to the grandparents. There are some exceptional circumstances where perhaps the courts might consider that actually even the grandparents are not in a position to support that child, but each case is determined on its merits, especially if the grandparents are earning a social grant. Then it becomes difficult because they themselves are in a vulnerable position and they are unable to support a child financially. And it also the state also comes in if neither parents or grandparents can support the child. That is the financial support, that is the social grant. If, guys, neither the parent or the grandparents are in a financial position to support the child, then the duty of support falls to the siblings. Siblings, we mean brothers, sisters, stepbrothers, and stepsisters. So if they are working and they are receiving an income, the duty of support rests on them to support that child financially. Persons with care. Usually these are people who are not grandparents, siblings, or parents of that child, but they are staying with that child. And in most cases, I know that such people or such persons, they do not even have a court order, yet they are financially supporting the children. Kudos to you. But persons with care is a person who cares for a child in terms of a court order. So if there's a court order, for example, it's usually, like, I know of foster parents, okay, persons who actually take children and look after them. And I applaud those people for doing such a good job, actually just availing yourselves to be foster parents to these children. It is lovely, and your hard work is not going unnoticed. So those people are usually people who have court orders and they support the child. If there is no court order, it becomes a complicated issue then to say, should you then take this person to court because they are living with the child and maybe the child needs more maintenance, then it becomes a complicated issue, but then it's up to the court to decide. But usually they must be conferred to a court order. And then lastly, step parents or your stepdad, your stepmom, are they obliged to support you financially is the big question. So at common law, guys, common law, a step parent is not obliged to support a child that is not his or hers, and irrespective of the fact that you are married in a community of property or otherwise. But at common law, a step parent is not obliged to maintain a child that is not his. But guys, I hope this is a learning curve for you. And maintenance is a very broad topic, but unfortunately we have to end here today. But there is another video, part 2, that will explain maintenance and the duty of support going forward. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to this channel. We are talkers. We are people who educate people, especially when it comes to family law related matters. Stay tuned because you are going to learn quite a lot, and please share these videos if you care. And if you want other people to learn, please tell them that they need to support to Muguni Talks on YouTube. All right, see you on the next one, guys, and please stay safe. Wash your hands, wash your body, stay safe. I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.